Let's start here. You are not broken. You're not lazy. You're likely just tired, stretched, or spiritually running on fumes. And if no one's told you lately, burnout is not a sign of failure. It's often a sign you've been pouring from a place that hasn't been filled. I originally wrote about this as a self-care reminder for teachers, but I've realized it's just as true for caregivers, professionals, and women navigating transition. I used to think the solution was to try harder, be more disciplined, more productive, more everything. But eventually I learned the first step isn't fixing everything. The first step is kindness. You don't need to fix yourself to move forward. You need space to be honest, to be gentle, to let the Holy Spirit restore you, one breath at a time. Here's your gentle reset for today. Speak to yourself the way you'd speak to a friend who's overwhelmed. Or even better, journal or pray this: Holy Spirit, remind me that I don't have to earn kindness. I just have to receive it. If this reset helped you pause or reflect, I'd love to invite you into the full 7-day Balanced Success Challenge. It's a free journey to help you rebuild your rhythms with grace, not guilt, especially if you're craving peace in a busy season. You'll find the link below, and I hope you'll walk with me again tomorrow for day 2.